Hey guys, welcome back. So now that we have this update email function working, we want to do the same for update password. So let's go ahead and create our update password JavaScript function, and we can just copy the update email function and change the name to, you guessed it, update password. So update password there, and this isn't going to take an email class parameter, it's going to take an old password class. So old password class. It's also going to take a new password class 1, so new password class 1, and then finally new password class 2. So it takes 3 parameters: old password class, new password class 1, and new password class 2. And instead of email value, this can just be old password. So instead of email class, this can just be old password class. Paste that in there, and copy this line and paste it below. Instead of old password, this can be new password 1, like that, and copy and paste this new password class 1 into there. So it's taken the value from the new password class element, and copy that line below again one more time and change this to new password 2 and then new password class 2, and that should do it. Make sure you have your 1s and 2s correct and you haven't got any duplicates. So that's fine. Now just to update this Ajax call, and instead of sending the call to update email, again, you guessed it, we're going to send it to update password.php. And instead of passing in email with email value, we're going to pass in old password and colon, and the value is going to be old password, which is right here, of course. And you can see this is already getting pretty long, this line, so we can actually, before this curly brace, press enter and move it onto the line below if you want to, and that's fine. And what you can also do is move each of these data values onto its own line too. That's fine as well. And I'll just create another line space just to make it even easier for us to see. So at the moment we have our old password values passed into this Ajax call. We're going to do another value, which will be new password 1, colon, and the value of this is going to be new password 1, which comes from above. And the last one, we'll copy and paste that part right there, paste it below, and instead of new password 1, do new password 2. So we're sending old password, new password 1, new password 2, and of course the username through to this update password file, which we haven't created yet. Last thing to do, instead of updating the error message by getting the email class element, we can use old password class. So just pass that in there. So old password class next door message, and this will update the span that's next to the password fields. And that's it. That's our JavaScript function. Last thing to do is just hook it up to our onClick. So copy and paste the name of the update password function into our button onClick right there. Update password in the parentheses. Just going to pass in the class names. So the first one in single quotes, old password, comma, and then new password 1 inside single quotes again, and then another comma, and then new password 2, just like that. Okay, so we've called the update password function and passed in our 3 classes.